Changing the email link to your Amazon Prime account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your current email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once signed in, hover over the Accounts and List menu at the top right corner. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Login and Security. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Edit your email address. Find the section labeled Email and click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm it as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, click the Save Changes button to update your account. You may receive a verification email at your new address to confirm the change. By following these steps, you can easily change the email link to your Amazon Prime account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.